don't understand sampling techniques. I have a midterm on Monday.
Have no fear, Superman is here, and I'm going to teach you about sampling techniques.
The first topic is simple random sample. This is a sample. In this sample, everyone has an equal chance of being picked. An example would be drawing names from a hat. Everyone has an equal chance of being picked.
And the second topic is stratified random sampling. This is a population. The population is then split up into homogeneous groups called strata. These strata have similar elements in common. From this main group, random samples are taken. An example to show this would be separating university students by subjects of study.
The third topic we're talking about is cluster sampling. This is a population. This population is divided into clusters of elements called the primary sampling unit. Units called secondary sampling units are sampled from these clusters. One-stage cluster sampling is sampling all units from selected cluster. The second one is called two-stage cluster sampling, where we randomly sample only some of the units from the selected clusters. And the last one is multi-stage cluster sampling, where many stages of random sampling occurs and each time sampling a smaller unit. All of these leads to secondary sampling unit. An example would be first selecting students based on the year of study, then selecting them based on their program.
If you want to represent the population accurately, then these are the techniques you would have to use.
What a crazy dream! Now I understand everything. I will pass my midterm.
Wait a minute. What happened to the other stuff we learned? Where are you now, Superman?